What's up guys, my name is Jay. Today I'm going to be giving my opinion on Workhorse stock and giving my problems with the company. So if you own the stock and can't take some criticism, just click off the video like right now, just click off. Now in my opinion, Workhorse compared to someone like Tesla or even NIO can't be valued as a company because they don't even sell cars yet. They're not making revenue off of their cars. Someone like Tesla or someone like NIO, they're selling cars, they're making revenue off their cars. So when it comes to Workhorse, you really just can't value them as a stock. When you're buying this company stock, you're buying off of pure speculation, whether you're trying to find the next EV company as big as Tesla or not. Now don't get me wrong, this company will probably end up showing growth in the future, but right now you have to ask yourself why you're investing in the company. Is it because you're trying to catch a trend or because all the numbers add up in your brain? Because right now they have $26 million in cash and $96 million in total debt. So how about those numbers for you? Never mind, I don't think that the numbers could in any way be why you're investing in this company. One of the reasons why I actually invested in Tesla is because I've been in one, and when I compare it to any other car on the street, Tesla wins, and it's not even close. And if you don't know why Tesla wins, go ahead and check out my $10,000 stock portfolio video, and I'll give you a pretty good explanation there. But compared to a Tesla car, when you get into a Workhorse car, oh wait, they don't have any. Gonna get so many dislikes for that. If you look at Workhorse's stock, their company is worth about $1.7 billion, which honestly, I'm not gonna be mad at. What I'm mad about is that I feel like a lot of people are buying the stock, hoping that it spikes up again like it did from $2 to $20, just because it's an EV stock. But a lot of people are buying the stock maybe because they actually believe in the company, so I really can't be mad at those type of people. Like a lot of these people are young investors if I were to take a guess. So as a young investor myself, I don't want to see all these other millennial investors getting into the stock around $15 to $20 hoping it would continue to go up just because it's an EV stock. Then they have to end up selling at a loss because something happened with the company or the market crashes again and they're scared that they'll lose more money than they already have. It's something that happens to all investors who are active in the market. If a stock goes up that you own, you're probably going to wish that you owned or bought more shares of the stock. And the same thing if the opposite happens. Maybe you'll wish that you never bought it and like I said, selling at a loss. Plus, if you look at all the big companies like the Apples, the Amazons, the Googles of the world, they each dominate in a specific sector that they play in. Like Amazon, who's their next competitor in the US? eBay? Okay. Like, stop playing with me. When it comes to Apple, if you're in middle school or high school and you're still rocking an Android phone, you get made fun of. It's that simple. You get made fun of. Like, when it comes down to it, with Apple products, Generation Z and the millennials use them so much because of how easy it is to pair them all together. Like, I can connect my phone to my MacBook. Like, I'm one of those people. Like, I got my iPhone, I got my AirPods, and then I got my MacBook right here that you can see on the edge of the screen. Next thing I'm gonna need is the Apple Watch because apparently everyone's getting that now. And then this goes on, but I won't bore you guys with that stuff. And if you own and like Workhorse stock and are trying to hold it long term, and I'm talking about 10 years type of long term, then I honestly don't have a problem with you owning the stock. I do have one thing to say though. When it comes to Workhorse stock and like Hyliion and all these other types of stocks, why speculate? Like, yes, you might get some insane gains, but at the same time, you can lose a lot of that money too. And at the same time, the company may do well, but the gains or the returns on the stock may never be as big as Tesla's run from $30-something to over $2,000. And I can see that continuing to go above $2,000 in the long term. So why not just put your money into a good growth stock? Like if you did your research on a company like Wayfair, you might have had the courage to put some money into it around even $100 and you would have tripled your money on the stock. And they may not be a profitable company, but that's not something you look for in a true growth stock. Do they actually sell things you can buy? Check. Are they a relatively new company? Check. Are they growing 20% or more? Check. I went a little off topic there, but you get the point. Or maybe you don't. I don't know. I tried. Anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope I entertained you with my little rant. And if I did, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It means a lot.
Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro.
And if you own Workhorse, Hyliion, or even Nikola stock, I have no personal problem with you. This should not be a political thing. Okay, maybe about Nikola, I might have a problem with you if you have Nikola stock. But I'm just personally not a fan of the stocks for the reasons that I've talked about this whole entire video. But in no way am I saying that if you own these stocks, you should sell out of them because it's your financial decision in the end. And someone like me should not have any sort of influence over that. Other than that though, I'll see you guys in the next one. Spread love. Peace. Bye.